So, I am Ashley Hudson. I am going to interview a pediatrics nurse assistant, Joy Winters.
I am Joy Winters. I am a pediatric nursing assistant.
What is your job?
I am a nursing assistant at Toledo Children's Hospital.
What do you like the most about your job?
The kids. The kids are amazing. Their little smiles and they just say the darndest thing.
What do you like the least about your job?
The least about my job is the very critically ill kids. Just to see them suffering in that bed, it just breaks my little heart.
What is the most stressful part about your job?
Honestly, I'm gonna say the parents. The parents, you just have to reassure them that their kid's gonna be okay. Especially the kids that's just there for just a common cold. You just gotta let them know that they're alright.
What degrees and classes are most helpful in this field?
Language of medicine, to understand like what the doctors are saying to you, and as just a normal STNA, just a nursing assistant.
How did you get interested in this field?
My aunt is a nurse, and her just talking about it all the time got me interested in it. And
Where do you see yourself professionally in 5 to 10 years?
in 5 to 10 years, I actually see myself as a peds ICU nurse.
So I also was able to get some other interview questions from Joy. I asked her, what do the children she worked with, how do they react to her? Her response was that they actually react very well with her. That she always, when she interacts with a child or is about to examine a child, she kind of just brings herself forth to get comfortable or make that child comfortable with her before pursuing an exam or anything. I also was able to ask her how many patients does she care for or feel comfortable caring for at a time. She says the ideal number that they like to keep them at is 10, but she's comfortable working with at least 13 patients at a time. I also was able to ask her why did she choose this specialty. She chose this specialty because she loves kids, and I quoted her words, was, to put a smile on a sick child's face, it brightens her day. How do she like to be recognized for work or for her hard work? So at her job they have a family recognition box where families recognize certain employees for different things that they done for them or just showing their thanks to them. And they drop their name in the box and what they're thankful for that they did for them. So I felt like that was very nice. So again, my name is Ashley Hudson, and I interviewed Joy Winters, and she is a pediatrics nurse assistant at Toledo Hospital.